Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows PC, laptop, or computer via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. The buds are currently in the case. I'm going to open these up. I'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. However, I get a solid green light here and then mine turns off. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode for myself. If I look on the back here, you got the little round button. I'm going to press and hold that little button until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So let me go ahead and press and hold. And I'll keep holding. Just wait. Wait. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, now shoot over to our computer. And you can do a search on the bottom left-hand side. Just do a search for Bluetooth and other devices settings right there. From here, make sure you select Bluetooth and other devices and then make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to tap up here where it says add Bluetooth other device. Tap on that. From here, select the first one where it says Bluetooth. Now this line that's going across here is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. In pairing mode, Bluetooth range is about 30 feet or so. So this is still in pairing mode. And let's see. Oh, there you go right there. LinkBuds clip right there. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. Okay, it says connected. You're connected. I'll click on done right there. And you can see also down here under audio, you can see the LinkBud clips. It says connected. All right, so there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.